Assam and Meghalaya share a 884-kilometer long border. Assam and Meghalaya have a lingering border dispute which has been since the 1970s. Today, we will try to analyze the cause of the dispute and the efforts taken in the last decades, and finally the historic agreement that has been reached between Assam and Meghalaya in 2002. The dispute between Assam and Meghalaya started when Meghalaya was carved out of Assam in the 1970s. This reorganization of Meghalaya was based on the 1951 𝗕𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵 Committee recommendation. As per the 𝗕𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵 Committee recommendation, some parts of present-day 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗃𝗃 Hills, some parts of West 𝗕𝗫𝗃𝗃 Hills, and some parts of 𝗕𝗏𝗦 districts were to be transferred to the districts of Assam under the reorganization. Meghalaya rejected 𝗕𝗏𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗃 Committee recommendations and stated that those areas historically belong to tribal chieftains. However, Assam contested the Meghalayan government narrative as Meghalayan government could not provide any documents to stake claim to these areas. In the last decades, there has been a lot of efforts to resolve the border disputes. However, it has not been successful till 2022. Let us now trace the history of resolution of disputes. For the first time in 1983, a joint committee was formed by two states to resolve the border dispute. However, it was unsuccessful. In 1985, a panel headed by 𝗕𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃, father of present Chief Justice of India, 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗃, was constituted and agreed by 𝗕𝗫𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗃𝗃 and 𝗕𝗏 Sangma to resolve the border dispute. However, the border dispute could not be resolved. In 1991, both the states agreed to demarcate areas with the help of Survey of India. In 2001, Meghalaya Assembly passed a resolution urging the central government intervention to settle the dispute. However, Assam Assembly opposed this move and passed a resolution opposing the Meghalayan government claim. In 2011, after many claims and counterclaims, disputes were finally narrowed down to 12 areas. In 2019, Meghalayan government approached the Supreme Court to direct the central government for resolution, but the petition was dismissed. Thus, a long-drawn effort was unable to resolve the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. Finally, in 2022, Assam and Meghalaya decided to resume talks at chief ministerial level and decided to adopt a give and take policy to resolve the pertinent border dispute. Regional committees were formed by both the states on 5 principles, namely historical perspective of that place, ethnicity of the people living in that place, contiguity of the place with the boundary, people's will, and the administrative convenience. Accordingly, the efforts resulted in resolution of border disputes at 6 areas, which can be elaborated as Tarabari, Hahim, Gizang, Khanapara, Ratachara, and Boklapara. 36.79 km of disputed area resolved, of which Assam shares is 18.51 and Meghalaya shares 18.28, which reflects the give and take policy. The resolution of the 6 disputed areas is a positive step towards the resolution of the whole Assam-Meghalaya border dispute.